Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on a beautiful summer night again. Behind me, Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. I want to go check it out, see what's going on inside. Then maybe I'll take a walk over to the Miracle Mile shops, going under some renovations, but that'll be a separate video. Let's head into Planet Hollywood, the hotel and casino, shall we?
A few years back, I did several burger challenges here on the Las Vegas Strip, and Gordon Ramsay burger always won the challenge, and I still say to this day the best burger you can get on the Strip, although I haven't eaten at every burger joint on the Strip, but so far the best. Lately though, it's almost impossible to get in. Chris Angel has a show here in Planet Hollywood, and his bikes are all over the place, and from what I understand, he's auctioning off a lot of stuff, including some of these bikes. Black iced coffee, my go-to drink when I'm on the Las Vegas Strip, at least during the daytime. I don't think Planet Hollywood's really known as a dining destination here on the Las Vegas Strip, but they have plenty of restaurants, including the Gordon Ramsay burger we just passed, Pin Up Pizza, there's a P.F. Chang's here, a Earl of Sandwich, Cafe Hollywood, Strip House Steakhouse, Yolo's Mexican Grill, so there are choices, but again, nothing really stands out at this hotel and casino with regards to restaurants. Unless you're looking for a good burger, then we've already covered that. Hey guys, as always, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, won't you subscribe if you haven't done so already? Just click on that little New York logo in the lower right hand corner of your screen. And if you're enjoying this video in particular, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribing, giving the video a thumbs up, and commenting below puts the video out there for more people to see. Thanks for your support, guys. Before Planet Hollywood, this used to be the Aladdin, the famous Aladdin here on the Las Vegas Strip. Planet Hollywood is owned and operated by Caesars Entertainment. The resort includes a 64,000 square foot casino, 2,494 hotel rooms. It also features the Miracle Mile shops covered on a different video here on the New York channel, as well as a 7,000 seat entertainment venue known as the Bach Theater, formerly the Zappos Theater. If you're looking for a good quick sandwich to pick up at a reasonable price, then Earl of Sandwich is a good choice. They have several locations here in Las Vegas, including, of course, Planet Hollywood. In keeping with the Planet Hollywood theme, there's a restaurant here called Cafe Hollywood. I passed it so many times in the past several years and never stopped in for a bite. Next trip, I'm definitely going in there, and I'll bring that video to you guys on my Jersey Jeff Eats channel. At least I won't have to wait on that Gordon Ramsay burger line, although it's really worth the wait. Alrighty, let's head up to the mezzanine level. Hold on tight. Up here is where Chris Angel puts on his show. He's got a lot more bikes up here as well, and a couple more restaurants. You'll also find the conference center up here as well. Speaking of conferences, if you're heading to Las Vegas, whether it's for pleasure or business, make sure you check out the Las Vegas playlist here on the New York channel, filled with lots of reviews of hotels, casinos, room tours, restaurants, attractions, you name it, it's going to help you plan your trip. I've never seen the Chris Angel show. Have any of you? If you have, leave a comment below. Give us your thoughts on it. There are so many awesome steakhouses here on the Las Vegas Strip. Don't hear too much about Strip House, however, here at Planet Hollywood. Don't know if there's a reason for that or not, but again, there are so many to choose from. Right next to the Strip House was Koi, a sushi restaurant. It's been permanently closed, however. A little Chris Angel motorcycle montage for all you custom bike people. So if you take the escalators down from the mezzanine level, you're going to end up in the casino, and if you take the escalators down from the casino, you're going to end up pretty much in the basement where the front desk is. Which kind of makes sense, I guess, because this is where the valet pickup and drop off is as well. There's also a Starbucks down here and a gift shop. If you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath this video. Doing so not only helps support the channel and makes videos like these possible, but it also gets you a shout out on a future New York video.